Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make smarter buying decisions. In today's video, we'll be comparing two top-rated robot vacuum and mop combos: the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra and the ZCWA robot vacuum and mop combo. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons, so let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. When it comes to cleaning performance, both the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra and the ZCWA robot vacuum and mop combo have some impressive features. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra boasts a powerful 6,000 pascals suction, which allows it to pick up debris, hair, dust, and more from hard floors and carpets quickly. On the other hand, the ZCWA robot vacuum and mop combo offers a 1,400 pascals suction power, which is still quite effective in removing dust and dirt. However, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra takes the lead in this category with its higher suction power. Now let's talk about the mopping functionality. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra features an upgraded Viborize 2.0 mopping system, which provides a wider mopping zone, high-speed scrubbing, and consistent mopping pressure. This allows it to clean deeply and effectively, even tackling dried-on spills. On the other hand, the ZCWA robot vacuum and mop combo also offers a wet mop function with a 230 ml electric control water tank. While it does a decent job, it doesn't quite match the advanced mopping capabilities of the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. So if you're looking for superior mopping performance, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra is the way to go. Both these robot vacuum and mop combos come with advanced navigation and mapping features. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra utilizes 3D structured light and infrared image technology to identify and bypass obstacles on the floor, ensuring a more accurate and customized cleaning experience. It also generates detailed maps for efficient cleaning. Similarly, the ZCWA robot vacuum and mop combo features intelligent obstacle avoidance and a full set of sensors to avoid walls, stairs, and obstacles. While both models perform well in this category, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra edges ahead with its 3D mapping capabilities. Now let's talk about the smart features offered by these robot vacuum and mop combos. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra comes with an advanced app that allows you to control various aspects of the cleaning process, including auto-emptying, mop washing, suction adjustment, and more. It even sends smart suggestions for setting no-go zones. Additionally, it supports voice control through Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and Siri shortcuts. On the other hand, the ZCWA robot vacuum and mop combo offers a smart app, voice control compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant, and a remote control. Both models provide convenient control options, but the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra offers a more comprehensive app and voice control experience. Finally, let's talk about battery life. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra offers up to 180 minutes of runtime in one clean, thanks to its fast charging capability. It charges from empty to full in just 4 hours. On the other hand, the ZCWA robot vacuum and mop combo provides approximately 100 minutes of continuous cleaning in a 1290 SQFT house. While both models offer decent battery life, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra outperforms with its longer runtime. After comparing the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra and the ZCWA robot vacuum and mop combo in various categories, it's clear that the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra takes the lead with its superior cleaning performance, advanced mopping functionality, navigation and mapping capabilities, comprehensive smart features, and longer battery life. However, if you're on a budget and looking for a more affordable option, the ZCWA robot vacuum and mop combo still offers decent performance. As always, make sure to consider your specific needs and preferences before making a purchase. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.